Organoids are lab-grown cell structures that are able to represent organs, hence the name organoid. Organoids are derived from stem cells which are able to reproduce and develop different cell types in order to form different organic structures. We are able to utilize organoids in order to create three-dimensional cell structures that can represent different diseases in order for scientists to conduct further research on said diseases. Scientists have criticized the research as being humanly unethical due to the recent discovery of scientists creating lab-grown brain matter through the use of organoids in which cognitive waves can be detected within the artificial brain tissue. Researchers believe this practice to be equivalent to the role of God, in which scientists are creating artificial organic life forms that can develop brain waves, which pawns the question whether or not these organic life forms have developed a consciousness. Organoids achieving a consciousness is strictly theoretical and has not yet been proven. More ethical controversy has arisen from scientists experimenting on rodents by inserting stem cells into their brains and observing the effects. A post from Stat News states, when the scientists shined light on a rat's eye, or stimulated brain regions involved in vision, neurons in the implanted organoid fired. That suggested the human brain tissue had become functionally integrated with the rats. But let's talk about the good that comes from organoid research despite these controversies. Through the use of cerebral organoid stem cells, we can effectively deduce definitive cures for several cognitive diseases as well as distribute a more effective medication to the patients who suffer from said diseases. Scientists can uncover differential treatment methodologies by using organoids in experimental disease models, of which will be scientifically analyzed to produce a cure. Such research could finally lead scientists to a cure for cancer. Yet, the fear of organoids being used unethically puts research development at risk and could slow the progress of disease purification or lead to the termination of the research as a whole. Despite the ethical controversial boundaries of organoid research, the termination of organoid research would prevent future scientific cures to many neurological diseases, hence why it is vital for viewers to understand why organoid research is so important.